Right, here we have an Aquarius. It's a hot point Aquarius. Try and get there's the model number, 7 kilo there, and we'll turn it on, and that's its problem. The door's locked. Look down at the door, and it can't be opened. I fire it up, and the door magnet goes. It won't kick in ready to go. So then I turn it off to reset it. Everything's off. Leave it a moment, but the door hasn't unclicked. So that's the problem. It's been started playing up for about a month or 6 weeks, maybe 2 months, occasionally. But it's the first time I've ever had the door shut that I can't open it with it all turned off. Because normally the magnet will go click and you can open the door. That's it, just turned back on again. And the pause button's waiting. Come to press it. And there you go. So that's the system.